5 Effective Ways to Make Money Online. Hello and welcome to this video, where I will be sharing with you 5 effective ways to make money online. The internet has revolutionized the way we work and opened up new opportunities for people to earn a living. The internet has revolutionized the way we work and opened up new opportunities for people to earn a living. With the rise of technology, it is now easier than ever to start an online business or work remotely. In this video, I will be sharing 5 ways that you can make money online, so let's get started. Freelancing. The first way to make money online is through freelancing. Freelancing is the process of working as a self-employed person, offering your services to clients on a project-by-project basis. There are many freelance websites available, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These websites allow you to find clients who need your skills, such as writing, graphic design, programming, and virtual assistants. The beauty of freelancing is that you can work on your own schedule and choose the projects that interest you. You can also set your own rates, which gives you the flexibility to earn as much as you want. However, it is important to note that freelancing can be competitive, and you may need to build up a portfolio and reputation before you can start earning a sustainable income. Affiliate marketing. The second way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's products or services. You can sign up with an affiliate program and promote their products on your blog, social media, or website. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online because you don't need to create your own product or service. Instead, you can focus on promoting products that are already in demand. However, it is important to choose products that are relevant to your audience and that you genuinely believe in. Online surveys. The third way to make money online is through online surveys. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinion on their products or services. You can sign up with survey websites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research and start earning money by completing surveys. Online surveys are a great way to make money online because they are easy and require no special skills. However, they typically pay less than other methods, and you may need to complete many surveys to earn a significant amount of money. Selling products online. The fourth way to make money online is through selling products online. You can start an online store and sell products on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. You can also sell your own products on your website or through social media. This can include physical products like handmade crafts, digital products like ebooks or courses, or services like coaching or consulting. Selling products online is a great way to make money online because you have complete control over your business. You can set your own prices, choose your own products, and create your own marketing strategy. However, it is important to note that selling products online can be competitive, and you may need to invest in advertising and marketing to stand out from the competition. Online tutoring or teaching. The fifth way to make money online is through online tutoring or teaching. If you have expertise in a subject, you can earn money by teaching or tutoring online. You can offer your services on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Skillshare. You can also offer one-on-one tutoring through Skype or Zoom. Online tutoring or teaching is a great way to make money online because you can share your knowledge and help others while earning money.